On behalf of Viveka Academy family, we wish you all a very happy, delightful and prosperous Deepavali. This festival is celebrated to celebrate the return of Prabhu Sri Ram to Ayodhya after killing the devil king Ravana. Since then, this festival is being celebrated every year to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. The story of Prabhu Sri Ram and other great personalities in Ramayana teaches us so many life lessons which we should imbibe in our life. Let's see what we all can learn from this story.
Sri Ram. Sri Ram was the obedient son of King Dashrath who gave up his entire kingdom and went to forest for hard 14 years. Without thinking for a moment, just because of his father's promise to his stepmother Kekai that all in such time where his coronation take place tomorrow's morning. He could easily refuse to go because the king promised to his wife, not to Sri Ram. For keeping the value of promise, he sacrificed his throne, palace and all princely comforts. Even through all of these, he had no grudges to Queen Kekai and never doubted his brother Bharat.
We learn the value of equality from Sri Ram. Rama treated everyone equal. He was a friend with Nisad Raghu, Sugriv and even Asur Raj Vibhishana.
Respect for our Guru, Ramitra told Dashrath that 2 months the marriage and Subahu were disturbing the ritual. Ramitra asked the king Dashrath to send the young prince Ram to get rid of these demons. Ram, respecting his guru, agreed and went to forest to kill these demons.
Message of brotherhood. Bharat, Shatrughan, Lakshman, Ram. All are symbols of 4 Purushas in Hinduism. Bharat is symbol of Dhar, Shatrughan is symbol of earth, Lakshman is symbol of calm and Prabhu Ram is symbol of moksha. Only unity along all can make our life purposeful.
Siblings are our strength from rising upon greed and temptation. We should always support our brothers and sisters in their happiness and sorrows.
Bharatji is the symbol of supreme sacrifice. Bharat was Sri Ram's younger brother who refused to become king in Ram's absence and instead took care of his duties until Ram's return from exile. Upon his arrival in Ayodhya, when Sri Ram had left Ayodhya, he rushed to Chitrakoot and tried his level best to convince Sri Ram. In this world where people only remember right, not duty, story of Bharat is the guiding light. Lakshman is the symbol of supreme devotion and service. He also joined Sri Ram and Sita ji in exile. He was not given any order from his father. He took it as chance of serving, not a chance of enjoying his power and freedom. Many of you will be surprised to know that in 14 years of exile, Lakshman never slept for a moment. He was eager to serve and protect Sri Ram and Sita ji for all the day and all the night.
Sita. From Mother Sita, we learn the values of unwavering faith, love and loyalty. When Prabhu Sri Ram was exiled to forest, she accompanied him without question, thus giving up all the luxuries of palace and accepting the hard life of forest. When Mother Sita was captured and taken to Lanka by demon king Ravana, she never lost hope and kept patience and faith in her husband. She is a synonym of optimism and faith, dignity and self-respect. Lord Hanuman requested Mother Sita to return back with him. Mother Sita respectfully declined and wished Prabhu Sri Ram himself should come and punish Ravana. It was her infallible love and trust on her husband which inspired Prabhu Sri Ram cross the ocean and end the terror of Ravana.
Sita teaches us to be strong and self-independent. When Mother Sita was in forest with the food, she did all work by herself and raised both kids amazingly.
Business of Jatayu. While Ravana was kidnapping Mother Sita, Jatayu tried to stop him. He knew that he is not a match for Ravana. Even after that, he did not want anything bad happening in front of his eyes. For his righteousness, he sacrificed his life and tried his level best to stop Ravana.
Good company versus bad company. We learn that we should always be in good company and leave bad company. As soon as possible, Queen Kekai was in bad company of Mantra, which led to the destruction of all our happiness and peace. On other side, Vibhishan was in the company of Prabhu Sri Ram and later also became the king of Lanka.
Hanumanji teaches us absolute and selfless devotion to a cause. He was an ardent followers of Sri Ram.
Even in the darkest hour, we should not give hope when Vedya's son Arka Sanjeevani heard to be given to be brought from Himalayas. Everyone lacked hope. Hanumanji, with his optimism and great power, brought the whole mountain in which the heart fear found.
Hanuman born with Lord Rama is a shining example of true friendship and loyalty. Despite being an embodiment of immense strength and power, Hanuman humbly served Rama with unwavering loyalty.
Encouragement and support to our loved ones. One question came that how to cross the sea to reach Lanka. Jamvad encouraged Hanumanji and remind Hanuman of his powers and abilities. Similarly, when our loved ones are in trouble, we should support and encourage them so that they can also cross the oceans of trouble.
Duty towards our profession. Susan Vedya teaches us that we should always follow the professional ethics. Being a Vedya, his first duty is towards his patient, regardless of caste, creed and nationality. Lakshman was from opposite side and he knew the cost he could pay to treat an enemy. Still, he treated Lakshman and told them the solution.
Of friendship. In Ramayana, one of the key lessons imparted is the celebration of friendship. As we can see between Prabhu Shri Rama, Hanumanji and Sugriv, or the friendship between Nishad Rajguru and Prabhu Shri Ram. It shows how true friendship can be source of strength and a guiding light during life challenges.
Small effort. While making bridge to Lanka, one squirrel was carrying pebbles. When a monkey asked what he was doing there and shouted at him to get out of the way, the squirrel said he was carrying pebbles to build Lord Rama's bridge. The monkey laughed at the squirrel as if to say, "What can you do, you tiny squirrel?" But it was the pebbles that filled in the gaps between the boulders that made the bridge strong. Lord Rama lifted up the little squirrel, thanked him for all his hard work, and blessed him by stroking his back. So we learned that if we can't make big efforts, then start with the small efforts possible, because every effort, big or small, matters.
Vibhishan. From Vibhishan we learn that we should always side with Dharma and leave Adharma. He asked Ravana to return Mata Sita respectfully back to Sri Ram. When refused, he left Ravana, the symbol of Adharma, and joined with dharmic forces of Sri Ram.
From Angad, we learned that by placing our trust in the divine and embodying righteousness in our action, we can navigate life's challenges. Angad was sent as a messenger to Ravan's court and he performed his duty perfectly.
Victory of good over evil. Finally, we learned that doesn't matter how the strong and powerful are the evil force, it always the good which will win over the evil. Prabhu Ram, even without the mighty army and resources, could defeated the mighty Ravan because Prabhu Ram were on the side of Dharma and Ravan were on the side of Adharma.
अनंत हरि कथा अनंता, कहाँ ही सुनाही बहुविधि सब संता। रामचंद्र के चरित्र सुहाए, कल्प कोटि लगी जाहि न गाए। Hari is infinite and his story is also infinite. All the saints hear and speak about him in many ways. The beautiful characters of Ramchandra cannot be sung even in millions of kalpas. Still, we brought some of the beautiful learnings in front of you. We hope humanity learn from these lessons so that one day we can have Ram Rajya all over the world and all people live in harmony, peace and prosperity. Again, wish you all a very happy and prosperous Deepavali. Pranam.